Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Python 3.9.5 on Windows 10 operating system. So for this you just need to open your favorite browser and then search for Python, press enter, and the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. So just click on this link and then you can see on the next window here the download option. So you just need to move your cursor on the download option, and here on the left hand side you can see Python 3.9.5. so you just need to click on this option which says Python 3.9.5, and the Python file exe file is going to download. So it will take a few seconds or a minute, so just wait for to complete this process. So you can see Python exe file is downloaded, and you just need to double click on this file and minimize the browser. And here you just need to click on run option, and you can see upgrade now and customize installation. So here you just need to click on customize installation option, and then on the next window you just need to check all these check boxes if you want. So I'm going to check all these check boxes and then click on next option, and on the next window you just need to check first four options if you want. So this is the location where you want to install your Python 3.9.5. so I'm going to just click on install option. So you can see Python 3.9.5 is installing on my Windows 10 operating system. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.